I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over adding leads automatically to Mailing Boss. So most likely you will want to add your leads to Mailing Boss as they come in. This helps you follow up personally with your leads, deliver any bonuses that you want to deliver to people for signing up, and any other reason you might want to reach out to people who sign up. You can also add them to your email list and start building some authority. Another important thing to note is that if a lead has been inactive for 60 days, that they will be removed from this area, so you won't be able to download them anymore from here. So if you upload them directly to Mailing Boss, they'll stay in Mailing Boss forever, as long as they don't unsubscribe, of course. So to automatically add any new leads that come in to Mailing Boss, you need to come to Builderall Business, Your Leads, and then click the Options box here. And then you simply click Save Email List. And that's going to bring up a box which will show all of your Mailing Boss lists. So then you just need to select the list that you want all of your new leads to be added to. So for example, Builderall Welcome, then click that and then click Save. Or you can even create a brand new list right from here to start adding leads to. Once you've clicked Save, any new leads will be added automatically to that list. Keep in mind that old leads will not be added. So if you want to add all your existing leads to the list, you'll need to download the CSV and then upload the CSV into the Mailing Boss list. So in this video, we went over adding leads automatically to Mailing Boss.